everybody, I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to the stemlearningseries on vamsivisions. Thanks to all my subscribers and viewers for the love and support you've been showing me. And also, I hope you've been enjoying my videos so far. Do you know the name of a drawing machine that we once used to copy images and enlarge them at the same time? Do any of you have any bright guesses? It's called the Pantograph, and well done to any of you who got that right. Today, our youngest and most familiar participant, Satya, is back to show us how to make a pantograph and also tell us how it works. I can't wait to watch this with all of you. Over to you, Satya. Show us this cool and fun mechanism.
Hi, I am Satya. Today we are going to try making a small pantograph. Pantograph is a device which was once used to copy and enlarge drawings. It's made out of 4 rigid pieces connected together. Move the pencil in one end of the pantograph. The other end will copy the movements covering a larger distance. Cardboard and cut it to 4 different sizes. 2 big rectangles, 1 medium-sized rectangle and 1 small rectangle. Make a hole at each end in all of the 4 pieces like this. Lay the pieces like this with the hole standing up. Each of these points is called a joint. Take a paper fastener and fasten them to this joint. The left arm, this is the right arm. Take the 2 bottle caps, make a hole and fasten them to the end of the left arm. Wrap these ends with a tape. Put the putty under the cap and stick it. Put the pencil to this end and put the sketch pen to this end. Now the pantograph is ready.
Well done, Satya. Your colourful pantograph looks amazing and I can't wait to see it in action.
It's amazing!
Wow, what an engaging demo, Satya. Also, thanks to your brother Sarkit for always helping you in the background. The flower and star you drew were amazing. It's so cool to see an invisible hand drawing the picture you just drew on a larger scale. Now Satya will explain the science behind it.
The pantograph is an example of a mechanical linkage. A mechanical linkage is a machine that has rigid pieces which is jointed but can still move. It changes one kind of movement to another. This is a parallelogram and the opposite sides are parallel. The pen and the pencil are on the parallel paths. So when they move, they trace the same shape. Since the pen is on the longer arm, what it draws is magnified. Thank you for watching. Bye!
I clearly understand how the pantograph works. I appreciate your enthusiasm throughout the whole video. As you already know, Satya has done many experiments and models on my channel already, and I'd love to see more from her in the future. Thank you so much, Satya, for participating. Stay tuned for the real world science section coming up next. This picture shows the inside of an umbrella. Mechanical linkage are found in many different machines and devices, including something you probably have at home, an umbrella. When you push on the sliding part, the inside of the umbrella magnifies the movement of your hand to lift up the entire canopy, giving you shelter from the rain. We both refer to Robert Winston's Science Lab book for making this. For those of you who are interested, if you want to make the image bigger than Satya's, you can simply increase the length of the long arm and try it out. Don't forget to comment how it turned out in the comment section down below. My special thanks to Satya for putting a lot of effort in doing her experiment today and sharing it with us all. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Also, I'd recommend you to watch my earlier STEM videos, which I'll leave a link to in the description box down below. Like Satya, if you want to participate in my future STEM episodes, please send an email to stem@vamsivisions.co.uk to show your interest. I'll reply to your emails as soon as possible with the next steps on how to get involved. Also, visit the Vamsivisions website at https://www.vamsivisions.co.uk to know more details. All the information is listed on there. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to Vamsivisions to show your support. And on that note, I'm signing off for today. I'll see you all in the STEM episode next week. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. Take care. Bye.